What if your life could change in just 30 days? No magic, no shortcuts, just small, simple actions every day. The truth is, big changes don't happen overnight. But if you stay consistent, your life can look completely different in just 1 month. Step 1. Set a clear goal. Before you start, ask yourself, what do I want to change? Maybe you want to wake up earlier, get healthier, or feel more confident. Pick just one thing and focus on it. When you have a clear goal, you have direction. Step 2. Take small steps daily. You don't need to make huge changes. Even small steps can create a big impact. Want to be healthier? Start by drinking more water. Want to be more positive? Write down 3 good things every day. Small actions, done daily, build powerful habits. Step 3. Stay consistent, even when it's hard. After a week, you might feel tired or want to give up. That's normal, but this is where real change happens. Push through the tough days. Discipline is more important than motivation. Step 4. Track your progress. Write down what's working and what's not. Adjust if needed. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to keep improving. Step 5. Become the new you. By day 30, you'll feel different. You'll think differently. You'll realize that small changes, done daily, create a brand new version of yourself. The next 30 days will pass anyway. Why not use them to build the life you want?